already taking a video, Mom?
Yeah.
Ruby, go get it! Oops. He got it. Taco, taco. Ruby. Over here. Over here, Ruby. 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 Going get it. He kept popping.
It landed on Papa's hat.
I think he might be actually scared of Papa's hat. Let me see. Yeah, he's scared of it. Now he's sitting down. No.
She's like, give me the pig. It's a flying pig, Ruby.
You will never catch me. You will never catch me.
Look, she's still checking out the hat. What are you doing, Ruby? What are you doing?
I got it. Taco, 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 taco. Come here.
Don't be careful around the table.
Taco. Taco, 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 taco. Let go. Ruby, drop it. Drop it.
Ruby, drop it.
Drop it there.
Good girl.
The thing he landed on me. Calm. Calm.
There's not much calm with her.
He's smiling.
Hey, Rube.
Ruby, your smile is like the best part of the day. Ruby! 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 Over here! Right, come on, come on, come on, come on, Ruby, come on! Taco. Get it! He was like, what is that?
Go get it, Ruby. Get it. Good girl. Evan, careful.
Why?
Put it up so she's not scared of it.
He's like, what is this strange species?
What did she just do? I don't know. I don't know what she thinks that hat is.
Look at her smile.
She's scared of the hat.
He's smiling though.
She's gonna bark at it now. Ruby, are you afraid of the hat?
Taco, 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 Camilio. Ma taco. Taco, 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 taco. Taco, Camilio.
Ruby, why are you afraid of the hat?
Look, he's smiling though. He's gonna end up biting it. I just know it. I just know it.
Don't let her bite Papa's hat. Oh,
Oops.
go put up. Now it's just the pig.
Taco, 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 Camilio.
Ruby visiting Bun. What are you doing over there?
Going get it. Taco, 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 Camilio. Ma taco.